Plus has a capacity of 24 kilograms of chocolate and best meets the needs of the small, medium chocolate workshop. Versatility of use and its low running cost are some of the qualities that distinguish the Plus model. The machine is equipped with a volumetric dispenser as standard, with a pedal to control the flow of chocolate, which makes it very useful for the production of bars, Easter eggs, patties, as well as being equipped with a low-voltage heated vibrating table. The Plus model takes about 15 minutes to enter the tempering phase and has an hourly production of 90 kilograms of chocolate. The total electrical consumption is about 1.4 kilowatts, and the machine is powered as standard by a 380-volt 5-pole motor. It is also possible, upon specific request, to have the machine powered from a 220-volt single phase. Plus does not need to be attached to any water supply, as it is equipped with an internal refrigeration system containing a small amount of refrigerating fluid, which should be checked yearly. This model is a very attractive option, as it is the smallest Selmi continuous tempering machine that has the option of having all the accessories needed for chocolate molds or coatings. This machine is compatible with all types of pouring plates, with the R200 coating belt with paper with partial or total coatings, with the truffle coating belt with rotating plate, and it can also be used as a tempering machine at the head of a 3 or 4 meter cooling tunnel.